Mustang Coupe.
Love it. Love the tires. Love everything. It's got the gas cap for quick fueling. And here is the details. 1966 Ford Cobra Roadster. 460 V8. White and blue, obviously. Black interior, obviously. Stock 875 for 46.9. Yeah, when you see that price, that's a tribute. Looks like a safety for starting the engine or when you park the car. Of course, I want to pop that cap, but I'm not going to do it. And some pretty cool rims too. Love it. I drove one of these thanks to my friend in Palm Springs. His name escapes me right now. Sorry, guys. I'm 54 and I'm starting to forget things. Good thing I'm putting it all on video, right? All right. Dun, dun, dun. Transitioning from one AC Cobra. This is the advantage of being in the auto mall. There's all kinds of classic cars all around you all the time. And this is another tribute with a really interesting paint job. I think this thing's really pretty. I sent you a picture of this on Facebook, teasing it. Here's the real car. Ed, can I take it out for a drive?
Which one?
This one right here.
Not today. It's still a little salty.
See, that's what happens when you got an AC Cobra. People are a little cautious about letting you drive it. I understand that. I was expecting a no, just for the record. I just want to say that. And there it is. Look at that. That is a pretty paint job on this car. I like it. I don't think I've ever seen a paint job like this. Double bar. Good for the passenger. Interesting shifter. Look at that shifter. Look at that shifter. Wow. Leather dash. You gotta be careful with these doors. They're very light. All fiberglass. And he's got some purple sun blockers. There it is. 1965 Cobra Roadster, silver, mileage 8,500 miles, not much. And that's a stock number of 1165 for 46.9. 46.9 for a heck of a lot of fun. And I recommend, if you're gonna buy this car, tell your wife about it first. She'll be kind of pissed if you buy it without her knowing about it. That's just my advice. Then again, I'm practically divorced, so I guess my advice isn't that valuable. There you go. It's in the details. So there I am, in the details. I like the pipes too. It's got some carbon fiber protection for the rocks being thrown from over there. And look at the details on this car. I love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Beautiful. Now we're going from Cobras, and again, another advantage of being at the mall. Boom! Look at this Corvette. Look at this Corvette. Absolutely gorgeous. I think this is an original paint job. I've seen imperfections on here. That usually gives away